We'll guide you through how to integrate Figma with ChatGPT. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your internet browser and go to Figma's website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you need to access the Figma community by clicking on the community tab located at the top left navigation bar. Use the search bar to look for the ChatGPT plugin. This plugin is essential for integrating Figma with ChatGPT. Click on it and then select the install button. If it's already installed, you will see open in Figma, then it will add the plugin to your Figma account. After it's installed, open a Figma file where you want to use ChatGPT. Go to the plugins menu in the top left bar and select ChatGPT from the list. This will open a sidebar where you can enter prompts or questions. Now, you can start typing in your prompts and ChatGPT will generate responses directly within Figma. This is great for brainstorming, generating design ideas, or even writing copy. You can also adjust the settings within the plugin to customize how ChatGPT interacts with your Figma designs. If you need more detailed responses, try different prompts or refine your questions. This integration allows a seamless workflow where creativity and AI technology come together to enhance your design process. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.